Well, hazy, hot, and humid is coming back to our forecast here. Meteorologist Joe Martucci. We take a look at our ice cream melting forecast for Thursday, and you're going to want to eat it fast because the heat and the humidity really gets to that ice cream, cuts it down really quick, and who wants to eat just a pile of sugar water? All right, let's get into our forecast here. Here's our setup. So we have a good amount of rain to our west, at least during the morning. We have a pressure trough nearby. Now, as we go into the day, high and low pressure will combine to give us a southwesterly wind. And it's going to be strong at times. That southwesterly wind is going to pump in that humidity. So we had the heat on our Wednesday. Now Thursday, we're going to get that humidity as well. And with the stagnant air mass in place, we got a little bit of haze going with that as well. Typical Jersey kind of weather here for July. Let's take a look at our futurecast and our winds. You see that southwesterly wind at 8 a.m. on Thursday. Good amount of sunshine at times here. There will be a spotty shower or storm, mainly inland, mainly during the afternoon, but I believe most of us will be dry. Notice those winds kicking up during the evening. 20 miles an hour sustained at the beaches, even 25 in Cape May. Now, as we go into the night here, we're going to cloud up. And look at this line of showers and storms that tries to come in here. This line could bring damaging winds as we go into early Friday morning, 2 to 8 a.m. Not our typical time to watch for severe weather, but we're going to have to keep an eye as we go into tonight. You want to make sure you have your devices charged going into the evening and have a way to receive weather alerts in case we do get into a severe thunderstorm warning for imminent danger as we go into our early Friday. Now, for the rest of Friday itself, you see a lot of green on this map. I don't think it's a washout Friday, by the same token, it's hard for me to tell you exactly when those dry times are going to be here. And that's actually going to be the same as we go into our Sunday as well here. So let's take a look at those severe threats for Friday. We're mainly talking about the potential for wind damage. It's not a definite, but it is possible between 2 to 8 a.m. We look at our aurora forecast for Thursday night. The only reason why I'm showing this is because there were some chatter on the internet this week that we would see the northern lights. We wouldn't see them anyway because it'll be cloudy, but we look at our K index, which shows how strong a geomagnetic storm is. It's about a 4, and you see that K equaling 5 way to our north. You go to the 4, it's even further north than that. So nothing for us. We'll have to wait for another time here. We look at our Thursday morning numbers. Temperatures rising from the 70s into the 80s by 10 a.m. here. Daytime highs will be in the low 90s inland here, 84 at the shore. Even though it's maybe a degree or two cooler than what we had on Wednesday, with the humidity going up, it will feel about the same. In fact, it'll probably feel hotter today than it did yesterday. We go into Thursday night. I think we're dry during the evening hours. So you want to drive down the shore, get an early start on the weekend, no problems there. But when we go into early Friday, that's when those showers and storms and possibly severe weather could be around. We have the Our Lady of Mount Carmel Festival this evening as well. Looking good there. As we said, the evening likely to be dry here and temperatures falling through the 80s. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. So we're talking about the last of the 90s being Thursday, so it's a 2-day stretch for us. We go into the weekend here. Friday and Saturday about the same. I can't really tell you when it's going to be dry, but what I will say is it will be more dry than not. Might be 60% dry, 40% wet, but that's kind of the case here. Saturday looks to be more of your typical pop-up showers and storms during the afternoon. I think your beach plans, your boat plans are okay as long as you have a way to get inside in case there's a thunderstorm. Then we go to next week here, 85 on Monday at the shore, 84 for Tuesday and Wednesday. Looking to be on the drier side as we go into the beginning of next week.